on Tuesday, President Trump signed an executive order revoking this 11246. And so right now, combined with the executive orders on prohibiting DE&I at the federal level, OFCCP is kind of up in the air. Affirmative action programs.
That sounds that way to me as well.
Of course, we know we'll see some litigation over this. And interestingly, President Trump's directive established a 90-day period during which federal contractors, and I'm going to read another quote, may, not shall, but may continue to comply with the regulatory scheme in effect, end quote. Yeah. I think there was a period that federal contractors may continue to comply, but it doesn't say that there's any sort of penalty if they don't comply. But I would strongly suggest if you are an employer that you're subject to reporting of the OFCCP, you continue down that road.
And I do agree with your advice. I would stay the course until we know more. And that doesn't mean the person who's establishing the distribution of contracts understands what's going on and may or may not make decisions based upon updated submissions of contracts, right? So you submit your proposal, and part of your proposal is you have your affirmative action plan, and that gets submitted. You have a human being somewhere that's checking off a list. And until that comes off of that list, you don't want to be excluded. And then the other thing is we have a lot of individual state guidelines in this space too that are going to be up in the air, and we're going to see a ripple effect from that. So I think in the next 90 days, we'll learn a lot. Maybe we'll be able to get one of your experts on the show to help give us some guidance once it becomes a little bit more clear.